Assalamualaikum प्यारे बच्चों, hope you all are fine. So we will start our new lesson today, but before starting that lesson I would like to give a brief review of my previous lesson as usual. So in my last lesson we have started our new chapter number 4, storing data, and obviously as the name indicates, this chapter is related to storing data because the one of the main function of the computer is just to store our data. Please open page number 27. In my last lesson, we have discussed this, that the computer has basically two kinds of the memory. One is the permanent memory, that is ROM, read-only memory. One is the temporary memory, that is the RAM, random access memory. The difference between these two, as I explained earlier, that RAM is a kind of the memory that will be lost once you will shut down your computer. You will lose all the data. But in the case of the ROM, if you shut down your computer, that memory will not be lost. That will be remained. Then we discuss the primary storage and the secondary storage. That the primary storage are the kind of the devices that is already built into the computer, but the secondary storage are those devices that we usually insert into the computer, sometimes to increase its storage capacity, while sometimes to carry the data from one place to another. Then we discuss the secondary storage devices includes a USB flash drive, CD, Blu-ray disc and DVD. Now please open page number 30. So today's topic of discussion is related to the disks. Basically, computer store the data. We can store the data on the disk, but the question is, does the form of the data we store will be the same as the output? जिस form of data में हम करेंगे, क्या वो computer हमें उसी तरह दिखाएगा? How? If the computer works on the binary language, then how it is possible? It is possible as just like if we enter the data, if we store the data into the CD, for example, and we put it into the CPU, first of all the CPU will process all the data and encode that data. First of all the CPU will convert all the data into the computer language, into the binary language, zeros and ones, and then they will show us the result in the output. So as you see, computer is super fast. As you see, computer does it in the seconds even. So basically disks are of the two types. Number one, magnetic. Number two, optical. What is the difference between that? Because in the magnetic disk, the data is temporary. It can be stored and erased, but in optical device, data is permanent. So as the data is temporary, the examples could be CDs, because in CDs we can enter the data and then we erase it, DVDs, etc. Permanent में हमारे पास आ जाएगा hard drive, because no matter what, how much time you will shut down your computer, this memory will be same. So let's read it out. Computers store data on disks. A disk is a round plate on which data is saved after being converted into the machine code encoded. So I hope all of you have seen the disk. I have already provided you the picture of the disk in my last lesson. So disk is usually गोल सी चीज़ होती है, उसके दरमियान एक होल होता है, and first of all we transfer our data, encoded our data, and then we will save it on the disk. There are two kinds of the disks: magnetic disk, optical disk. Hard disk are magnetic disk, CDs are the optical disk. Data on magnetic disk can be recorded and erased several times. The hard disk is a storage device into the computer that stores and provide quick access to the large amount of the data. If the hard drive fails, you can lose all your saved data. This is why important to make backup of all the data. So why we always say that you have to make the backup of all the data? Because sometimes it happens that the data stored on the hard disk cannot be accessed because of the failure of the hard disk. Then what will happen? Obviously it will result into the first losing of all the data. So it is always advised to store your data. An external hard disk drive is portable and can be connected to the computer. So basically there are two kinds of the hard disk drive. You can see in the picture, this is the internal hard drive and this is always built in drive into the computer, and this is the external hard drive. External hard drive is a hard drive that is connected into the computer and you can take this data anywhere in the world. Floppy disks were used as external storage devices some years ago, but not anymore. The icon for the save command in Microsoft Word is a floppy disk. Okay students, हमारे वक्तों में when I was studying in my school time, so there was a small kind of the disk that is known as a floppy disk. I will draw here. It was kind of the small plastic disk. That was kind of the disk that was used to save the data, and its storage capacity was not that much large as we had in the other storage devices, but it is not used anymore now. Optical disk is the secondary storage devices on which data is stored by using the laser. Compact disks are used to store in digital data and audio files. Okay, as you can see that the surface of the CDs, DVDs and Blu-rays have a shiny surface, so you can see the reflection. That's why we use a laser technology to read this all the data. Optical disk is always the second storage devices. It means you will always insert it from the outside into the computer, sometimes to increase the storage capacity. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. This line is very important. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. DVDs can store more data than CDs, obviously, as DVD is the latest form of the CD, so it was able to add more amount of the data in it. Blu-ray discs are optical discs that can store high definition video files. What is the use of the Blu-ray disc? Because with the help of the Blu-ray disc we can use the high definition video files, HD videos. The HD videos are very common these days. ये जो आजकल हम movies और video games खेलते हैं, these are usually HD displays. So where are we kept them? We can kept them in the Blu-ray disc. A USB flash drive is a portable storage device. It is compact, fast and stores a large amount of data in a very small space. USB flash drive are removable and rewritable. ये वो अजीम इजाद है that can carry the millions of data from one place to another. It is very smart. It is very easy to take in pocket even, and it is portable. You can attach it and then you can detach it. Then you can carry it anytime. It's amazing invention. Unlike CDs and magnetic discs, USB flash drives cannot be damaged by scratches and dust. Obviously, CDs and DVDs can be damaged with the help of the dust. So that's a benefit of the USB, that there is no laser technology will be used in it, so it cannot be damaged with the dust. They are convenient means of transporting data from one place to another because they are small size. Computers today come with several USB ports. As you see that nowadays laptops even or even desktop even are provided with a lot of the USB drives ports, because sometimes in those USB ports we can attach the wires of the keyboard, mouse and the others. A USB flash drive is also known as a pen drive. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. This line is very important. Why it is known as a pen drive? Because the pen is usually small, as you can see in the picture, and you can take it anywhere. So that this is the same case with the USB, and USB is known as a universal serial bus. So please underline it, universal serial bus. We do the matching column. That's all from today. So if you have any query, please feel free to ask. Thank you.